In this video, I'll be talking about the frame size in Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you want to set the frame size for your project, so basically you have to update the settings of the sequence, because Adobe Premiere project contains one or more sequences. So basically you have to go and change the sequence settings. Over there you can set the frame size. So in this particular project, I have got one sequence, as you can see over here. So just right click on the sequence and then go to sequence settings, and over there you can set the frame size, the width and height. Okay, and it also shows the aspect ratio as well. Now once that is done, what will happen if you import the video whose size doesn't match this frame size? For example, I have got this video, and if you look at the properties of this video's frame width is 1280 and height is 720. So this video's frame is smaller than the sequence frame that is in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So let us import it in Adobe Premiere Pro project, and then let us see how it works. I'm just going to import it over here, and as you can see, it is showing this transparent background around this particular frame. And the reason why it is showing it is because this particular video that we have imported, its frame size is lesser than the sequence frame size. So to remove this particular transparent borders, what you have to do is you have to scale this frame. Okay, so just right click and then you will find one option called as scale to frame size. So what will happen is that it will try to match, or it will try to scale the frame size so that it matches the frame size of sequence. So I'm just gonna click on this one, scale to frame size, and as you can see, that transparent border is removed. So basically if you keep the transparent border, it will show that black lines on the left, right, or top and bottom side of the video. So if you want to avoid it, you can do this way. But the one drawback of using this method is that since you are scaling up, your video might look pixelated, so the video quality will be decreased if you do this. That's why it is recommended that if you set the sequence settings to full high definition, then also you have to shoot the videos in full high definition itself. Otherwise, you might end up with the blurry videos. That's it. Thanks for watching.